An object without wings, without visible propulsion, defies every law of physics we know. It moves with impossible speed, executes turns that would crush any human pilot, then vanishes as if it were never there. Radar confirms its presence, seasoned pilots witness its impossible dance, yet when the camera finally focuses, it's gone. If this isn't an illusion, a trick of light or mind, then what profound truth does it conceal? What ancient secret whispers from the vast, silent expanse above us? Welcome to Space Facts Lab, where the boundaries of science blur, and the universe's deepest mysteries beckon us to look closer. Prepare to question everything you thought you knew. The unseen truth, a glimpse beyond the veil. Low, tense music swells, accompanied by the haunting sound of wind and a distant, rhythmic radar pulse. The air crackles with an unspoken tension. Imagine a craft, silent and swift, carving impossible paths through our atmosphere. It accelerates from zero to unimaginable velocities in an instant, then stops dead, hovering with an eerie stillness. This isn't science fiction. These are the documented accounts, the radar signatures, the eyewitness testimonies from those who guard our skies. For decades, these encounters were dismissed, relegated to the fringes of belief, whispered about in hushed tones. Yet, the evidence persisted, accumulating in classified files and the haunted memories of those who saw. What if the greatest secret isn't out there, but has been here, watching us, all along? If you believe that profound truths often hide behind the thickest fog of mystery, then join our quest. Hit like and subscribe to become part of a community dedicated to unraveling what science has yet to explain, to peering beyond the veil of the known. The first traces, when the sky opened its secrets. Archival footage flickers across the screen, grainy maps, newspaper headlines, and the iconic image of Mount Rainier. The year is 1947, a pivotal moment in human history. On a clear summer day, pilot Kenneth Arnold reported 9 peculiar, disc-shaped objects soaring past Mount Rainier. He described their movement as like a saucer skipping across water, inadvertently coining a term that would forever embed itself in our collective consciousness: flying saucer. The world, captivated and bewildered, was never quite the same. Since that fateful day, the floodgates opened. Thousands upon thousands of sightings have been meticulously recorded, each one a potential piece of a cosmic puzzle. Many were eventually explained away as misidentified conventional aircraft, atmospheric phenomena, or even elaborate hoaxes. Yet, a stubborn, irreducible core of these encounters defies all rational explanation. These are the cases verified by multiple radar systems, witnessed by highly credible military pilots, and captured on advanced sensors. They represent an undeniable anomaly, a persistent question mark hanging in our skies. Are we truly witnessing something beyond the current scope of human understanding, a technology or presence that challenges our most fundamental assumptions about reality? Or are these merely the echoes of a secret history, waiting to be fully deciphered? The silence of those who know, acknowledging the unexplained. The screen fills with fleeting images of secret documents, the stark seal of the Pentagon, bathed in a dim, unsettling red light. A sense of profound secrecy permeates the air. Then came the revelation that shook the world. In 2017, 3 extraordinary US Navy videos, Gimbal, Go Fast, and Tic Tac, were officially released. These weren't blurry amateur clips. They were high-resolution infrared footage captured by advanced military aircraft. They depicted objects performing maneuvers that defy known aerodynamic principles. These unidentified aerial phenomena, or unidentified aerial phenomenons, accelerated instantly, changed direction without any visible means of propulsion, and exhibited capabilities far beyond any known human technology. The Pentagon, in an unprecedented move, confirmed the authenticity of this footage. The implications were staggering, undeniable. This wasn't just a fringe theory anymore, it was a matter of national security, a subject of serious scientific inquiry. The question shifted from do they exist? To what are they? The official acknowledgement opened a Pandora's box of possibilities, forcing us to confront the unknown. If this kind of truth fascinates you, don't just watch, participate. Comment below with your theory, and subscribe to join those who dare to question the official story. What do you truly believe these phenomena represent? Are UFOs the clandestine creations of some advanced human technology, kept hidden from the public eye? Or do they hint at something far older, far more profound, a presence not of this earth, perhaps even from beyond our dimension? Share your thoughts below. The mystery only deepens with every unique perspective. When science reaches its limits, beyond our reality, dark, ambient tones resonate, as visuals blend cosmic nebulae with intricate laboratory equipment and the vast, silent gaze of telescopes. The atmosphere becomes deeply contemplative. As the frontiers of modern physics continue to expand, the UFO question transcends simple identification. It evolves into a profound philosophical inquiry. What kind of reality do these phenomena truly belong to? Our understanding of the universe, once seemingly solid, begins to ripple with unsettling possibilities. Some visionary physicists propose that these unidentified aerial phenomena might be interdimensional phenomena. They suggest fleeting glimpses from parallel universes, where the very fabric of space and time curves and folds in ways we can barely comprehend. Perhaps these objects are merely momentary bleed-throughs from an adjacent reality, a cosmic whisper from another existence. Others theorize that they could be advanced artificial intelligences, autonomous probes dispatched by civilizations light years ahead of our own. These silent sentinels, perhaps observing, perhaps cataloging, could be the vanguard of intelligences so ancient and advanced that their technology appears indistinguishable from magic. They might be the eyes and ears of a galactic empire, silently studying our nascent civilization. And then, there is a hypothesis that sends a shiver down the spine of even the most hardened scientist, a concept that twists our perception of time itself. What if these UFOs are not from outer space, nor from another dimension, but from our own future? A profound silence hangs in the air, heavy with the weight of this possibility. If this chilling theory holds true, then we might be looking at ourselves, our descendants, perhaps, returning from a distant point in time. What would compel them to observe us from the shadows? What secrets would they guard about our own destiny? Before we continue, make sure you're subscribed to Space Facts Lab. Every episode peels back another layer of the universe's greatest mysteries, and this one is just the beginning. Faith, science, and fear, humanity's enduring quest. Soft, tension-building music begins, accompanying images of ancient crowds gazing skyward, juxtaposed with solemn churches and bustling observatories. The human condition, caught between wonder and terror, is laid bare. Since the dawn of civilization, humanity has looked to the heavens, seeking answers, meaning, and connection. Strange lights and inexplicable aerial phenomena have always been interpreted through the lens of our current understanding, or lack thereof. To ancient cultures, these celestial visitors were often seen as signs from the gods, omens of divine favor or wrath, shaping myths and religions. To the burgeoning scientific minds of later eras, they became perplexing puzzles, anomalies to be meticulously observed, categorized, and ultimately, explained. Yet, the core mystery persisted, defying easy answers. Humanity, perpetually caught between the comforting embrace of faith and the relentless pursuit of empirical evidence, found itself haunted by the persistent unknown. Perhaps the enduring fascination with UFOs isn't about them at all, but profoundly about us. These enigmatic objects might be reflections of our own deepest longings, our innate desire to know, to connect with something greater than ourselves, to find our place in a universe that often feels vast and indifferent. They mirror our hopes for discovery and our primal fears of the unknown. Could it be that the sky, with its endless expanse, serves as a canvas for our collective consciousness, projecting our deepest questions and anxieties onto its silent backdrop? The mystery of UFOs might be the ultimate Rorschach test for humanity. The truth is closer than we think, an unsettling realization. Quick, disorienting flashes, radar screens blip erratically, then a human eye opens wide, filled with a mixture of terror and dawning comprehension. The realization hits with visceral force. The truly frightening aspect of the UFO phenomenon isn't merely the possibility that these objects exist. It's the chilling, creeping realization that they might have been here, silently observing, interacting, influencing, all along. What if our history, our evolution, our very understanding of reality, has been subtly shaped by a presence we've only just begun to acknowledge? This isn't just about strange lights in the sky, it's about a potential paradigm shift, a re-evaluation of our place in the cosmos. The implications are profound, unsettling, and utterly captivating. Echoes from the past, ancient visitors? Images of ancient structures appear, the colossal Egyptian pyramids, the enigmatic Nazca lines etched into the Peruvian desert, and intricate Sumerian tablets bearing cryptic symbols. A sense of timeless mystery pervades. Across millennia, whispers of ancient visitations echo through our history, fueling the belief that UFOs are not a modern phenomenon but a recurring presence. How else to explain the Nazca lines, vast geoglyphs visible only from high above, seemingly designed for an aerial observer? Were they messages, or perhaps landing markers? Egyptian carvings depict strange, disc-shaped craft and figures with elongated heads, strikingly similar to modern alien archetypes. Were these merely artistic interpretations, or faded memories of encounters with beings from beyond? Sumerian texts, among the oldest written records, describe gods descending from the heavens in fiery chariots, imparting knowledge and technology. Were these elaborate myths, born of primitive imaginations, or were they the only way ancient peoples could describe contact between two vastly different worlds? The line between legend and historical record blurs, inviting us to reconsider the origins of our own civilization. The past, it seems, holds secrets that resonate deeply with our present inquiries. The modern revelation, unveiling the unidentified. Footage shifts to contemporary scenes, solemn U.S. Congress hearings, official unidentified aerial phenomenon reports, and sophisticated satellite imagery. The tone is one of cautious, yet undeniable, acknowledgement. Today, the conversation has irrevocably changed. Major governments and prestigious scientific bodies around the globe no longer dismiss the existence of unidentified aerial phenomena. They openly acknowledge that these objects are real, that they operate within our airspace, and that their origin, propulsion, and intent remain profoundly unknown. This is not speculation, it is official fact. Yet, despite this acknowledgement, a pervasive veil of secrecy persists. Footage is often censored, reports are classified, and the public is granted only carefully curated glimpses of the truth. We are left to piece together fragments, to speculate on the motives behind the continued obfuscation. What deeper truths are still being withheld? The implications are staggering. If these objects are real, and not of human origin, then our understanding of life, intelligence, and our place in the universe must fundamentally shift. The questions multiply: are they benevolent observers, indifferent scientists, or something far more enigmatic? If you've made it this far, you're part of the few who dare to question the impossible. Subscribe now to keep exploring the edges of knowledge with Space Facts Lab. Together, we'll uncover the truths others are too afraid to face. The sky, a mirror of humanity's endless curiosity. The music softens, becoming ethereal and hopeful. The screen shows a breathtaking view of Earth from space, a fragile blue marble glowing quietly in the cosmic darkness. Perhaps, in the end, UFOs are indeed illusions, products of our own hopes and fears projected onto the vast canvas of the night sky. Or perhaps they are profound messages, delivered by an intelligence so far beyond our comprehension that it transcends time and space itself. The answer remains elusive, shimmering just beyond our grasp. Whatever the ultimate truth may be, one thing is certain: the sky above us remains an eternal mirror, reflecting humanity's boundless curiosity, our insatiable desire to explore, to understand, and to connect with the unknown. It challenges us to look beyond the mundane, to question the established, and to embrace the possibility of wonders yet unimagined. Stay curious. Stay questioning. Subscribe to Space Facts Lab, where science meets mystery in the endless expanse above. The truth, in all its enigmatic glory, may already be watching us, waiting for us to finally open our eyes. The end screen fades with the Space Facts Lab logo, accompanied by ambient cosmic echoes, leaving a lingering sense of wonder and unanswered questions.